beginning, oratory and stage, my influences, if you want to ask, it's a very personal question, and I loved the question because you got it right. I got my inspiration from the stage and commentary in English of cricket matches. So, because in our time when I was growing up, the influence on me was very, it was a very emphatic influence, I must say, of Henry Blofield. He was one of the commentators in those days, and Tony Gregg. Uh, Henry Blofield, I must say, the influence was greater. And after that, when I grew up and I started doing theater in school, so I loved acting. And when once you are on stage, there is no retake. You are just facing audience, and you cannot afford to make a single mistake. You have to be very much cautious about the pauses, because the dialogues, they are made in such a way, they are written in such a way that they intend to create certain kind of impact on the listeners. So imitating, learning those dialogues, and imitating Henry Blofield while speaking, so these were my influences. So I must say that you must listen to those commentaries, not of cricket necessarily, in whatever sports you are in or you are interested in. You must follow the commentaries. You must read a lot. So reading is the only source that will make you a good speaker. Reading and listening. Whenever someone speaks, listen to it with all the caution and try to note down the pauses, the expressions, and once you will catch those expressions and the pauses and the style, you will certainly mix them up and you will create a style of your own. And that will certainly make you stand a bit aloof from the crowd, and you will be noticed easily. So these were my influences:
Thank you
theater
so
and
much, sir.
commentary.
So,
Thank you
before
so much, sir.
we continue with your interaction, I would like to welcome Sharad, sir. So, he is the principal of Litra Valley School, Patna, and he has played a very foundational role in
Oh,
establishment
okay.
of UCAN also. So, I would like
Good afternoon,
you
everyone.
participants to interact with sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir is an educationist
Good.
as well as a public speaker. So I believe you all have much to learn from all our guest speakers, Sharanjeet ma'am, Sharad sir, and Vimlendu sir.
And Om, sorry to interrupt, Nishta. Om, add one more point to our answer. Sharad sir is also one of the influences while I was growing up.
Um, Very much overwhelmed by so different kind words which Dr. Kumar Viblendu spoke right now, and uh, perhaps I really got an opportunity when I came back to Patna, when we reconnected. You can say once again, uh, the person who in both English as well as Hindi. I mean, hats off to Dr. Vimlendu. I mean, his English and Hindi, you must listen, and they are exquisite. So at Litfest, when I invited him as judges, along with his better half, both of them were two gems who really went on. So it may sound as if a mutual admiration for each other, but then nonetheless, it's the true reality of life. And you can, all the participants over here, as Nishta rightly said, people like Dr. Lunendu and other Jagnisha Singh ma'am, and there's one, I'm forgetting the name, the other judge. So they are such so nice observers who can give you pointers to it, that if you start working on it definitely, your performance, your personality will be groomed to the level that perhaps you will find very few people matching your potential. So all the best, everyone. I just missed many things of it. Uh, my bad luck. I did not listen. I could not listen rather to beautiful speakers. But hats off to you can who really went, which really went on to have the second and third session is in offing. And these participants, I have seen both of them, Saksham and Manas, uh, uh, and even Vaishnavi, uh, being in the first session, and they have matured. I mean, they see the face, the glow, the confidence with which they are even mattering a lot as of now. So all the best and good step during COVID times. Over to Nishtha.
Thank you, Sharad sir. So I would also like Sharanjeet ma'am to kindly empower us with her views on, how you can face the public and how you can, attain success in life in the right manner. So Sharanjeet ma'am, we look forward to your guiding words.
मेरे को तो बेटा एक ही चीज जिंदगी में समझ आती है, एक तो पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड। आप हर आदमी में, मेरे में 1000 कमी है, तो हम एक तो नेगेटिविटी और एक जो कंपटीशन है ना, हम दूसरों से ना करके खुद से करें कि जो हम कल थे और कल, और अपना रात शाम को जब आपकी रात गुजरती है तो आप ना सारे दिन में काउंट किया करें कि आज हमने सोसाइटी के लिए क्या किया। सोसाइटी मींस क्योंकि अब आप स्कूल से कॉलेज में भी चले गए हो, अलग अलग आपकी वो बने हुए हैं, क्लब्स बने हुए हैं। क्लब्स बनने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपके वो भाव भी होने चाहिए। ये नहीं है कि हमने इंटरनेशनल वहां डिबेटिंग में आप आ भी गए तो क्या हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला। ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म है ना, ये आपको समाज में काम करने के लिए, कि आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिला तो आप कभी उनका भी सोचें कि जो गांव में, क्योंकि देहात में आज आप देख रहे हैं कि हमारे जो फार्मर्स हैं वो कैसे सड़कों पे हैं, तो आपके जहन में वो एकदम उबाले आने चाहिए कि आपको उस पर विचार करना चाहिए, और विचार करके क्योंकि सल्यूशन हमें ढूंढना चाहिए कि जो चल रहा है वो क्यों चल रहा है। हम कई बार परवाह ही नहीं करते, हम सोचते हैं कि हमारे से थोड़ी रिलेट करता है। अल्टीमेटली समाज का हर चीज आपको फर्क पड़नी चाहिए और उस पे आपके विचार होने चाहिए। वो फिर आपका डिस्कशन का मुद्दा होना चाहिए कि आप कितने सेंसिटिव हैं। बस मेरे को तो ये है कि जब आप सेंसिटिव हो जाएंगे अंदर से, तो आपको किसी का दर्द, जब दर्द लगने लगेगा कि आपको लगेगा कि ये चीज मेरे पास है, दूसरे के पास है कि नहीं है, तो ये जो इक्वलिटी जो हम कहते हैं कि समाज में सब बराबर हो, बराबर इन मीन्स कि जिस तरह से आपका मन करता है वैसे ही सब दुनिया के सब बच्चों का करता है। तो आप अपने शेयर में से कितना शेयर दूसरों के, दूसरे बच्चों के लिए रखते हो, आप उनकी कितनी खुशियां शेयर करते हो, आपको देखना कितना आनंद आने लगेगा। आप अपने बर्थडे पे केक मंगाते हो ना, कितना कॉस्टली, कभी दूसरे जो बच्चे हैं जिनको ये कभी देखने का भी मौका नहीं मिला है, आप उनके लिए कभी इस तरह से शेयरिंग, सेंसिटिविटी और मुद्दों को लोगे तो आपके जहन में कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहेगा, राइट पाथ पे रहोगे, आपका दिमाग नहीं खराब होगा, आप हवा में नहीं उड़ेंगे, आपको लगेगा कि वी कंट्रीब्यूट, हम जिस धरती पे पैदा हुए उसके लिए हमें कुछ करना है। तो ये जज्बा जब रहेगा ना तो आपको अपने आप रास्ते निकलते आएंगे। मेरा तो आपको यही सबमिशन है कि अपना दिमाग में कोई फतूर नहीं आना चाहिए, दिमाग में कोई पोजीशन नहीं घुसनी चाहिए, आपको डाउन टू अर्थ होके काम करना चाहिए, तो आप आम आदमी की प्रॉब्लम समझ सकेंगे। यदि आप ऊपर ऊपर उठते रहे तो आपको आम आदमी की प्रॉब्लम नहीं समझ आएगी, अंदर से आनी चाहिए चीजें। जिंदगी में काम चाहे एक ही पकड़ लो, 100 काम पकड़ने की जरूरत नहीं होती है, एक एक भी पकड़ेंगे तो हम 100 कर लेंगे। आपके 20 30 50 लोग हैं, वो एक एक भी पकड़ लें तो 100 काम हो जाते हैं। इसलिए जो पकड़ो उसको 100% इन्वॉल्वमेंट के साथ करें, इन्वॉल्वमेंट जरूरी है। तो 3 चीजें हुई, सेंसिटिव होना चाहिए, जो काम करो इन्वॉल्वमेंट के साथ होना चाहिए। तीसरा ये है कि अपनी, हमें देश के लिए जब बड़ा सोचेंगे तो छोटी चीजें, माइनर चीजें लगती हैं और आप उलझते नहीं हो, आपका बड़ा विजन होना चाहिए। तो छोटी छोटी बातों को तो वैसे ही, और ट्रस्ट होना चाहिए, कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए। बस यही 5-7 चीजें जो जिंदगी में हो तो बहुत बढ़िया जिंदगी बीत जाती है, जैसा मेरा मानना है। कोई डायमंड और जेवर की जरूरत ही नहीं रहती, ना कोई ड्रेसेस की जरूरत रहती है, आपको अंदर से ही फुलफिलमेंट, इतनी बढ़िया मजा आता है कि आपको लगता है कि हम भरे हुए हैं, कमाल के हैं, क्या जज्बा है। तो वो अंदर से भरना चाहिए हमें, भारी भारी दिखावे में नहीं ज्यादा विश्वास रखना चाहिए। मेरा तो ये विचार। और
थैंक यू मैम।
बाकी आप बच्चे हैं और आप तो हमारे से और बेहतर सोचते हैं, आप तो आज की जनरेशन तो और ही इंटेलिजेंट है, तो थैंक्स।
So Sharanjeet ma'am has been actively working as a social worker for the for people with hearing and speech impairment. So she has been working on the ground, and therefore I strongly resonate with ma'am that, if you have something, try sharing it with people, because it's of no use if you cannot, share it with people around. So, for example, Vimlendu sir, Sharanjeet ma'am, Sharat sir, Nishi ma'am, Tripta ma'am, Manish sir, they're all sparing their valuable time to be here with you people, so that they can share what they have, so that they can impart their skills of speaking, their skills of being a spontaneous and a confident speaker to all of you. So, ma'am pointed out a very important point that, apart from being a public speaker, one thing that you should all inculcate within you for personality enhancement is to be there for the society, to do something for the country. So I hope I see you all as successful people in the future, and what you can do to enhance that success is to be of some use to the society. So I second Sharanjeet ma'am's word on this. So I believe that all of you are highly, highly appreciative of Sharanjeet ma'am's, Vimlendu sir's, and Sharat sir's words today. So I would like to hear from you now that, what have you learned from this interaction here? So Manas, Om, Tej, Samarveer, we have quite a lot of speakers here. So having, become good speakers, until now we have had 6 sessions today together. So please just say a few words on this. Yeah, then we'll just move on to the results. The results are done. So I request you all to just say a few words on what have you learned from our respected speakers today. So yeah, kindly open up, please. Parumita.
So may I speak?
Yeah, Nishta, please go on.
So I feel that this platform was like a really good thing that happened to me in 2020, because I never knew that I could write so much. But in this past few weeks, I've discovered that I have a really good talent. So, and it helped me, realize that I can do a lot than I imagined I can. And the word you can also is like doing justice to this platform. And I really I take the judges' remarks as a positive thing, because they really help us improve. And I feel all my fellow participants gave me I learned from them their precious qualities that. May it be Paramita, Om, or Tej, or any, or Saksham for that matter of fact. So I just feel that I learned a lot of things from them, and so yeah, this platform was like a very beautiful thing that I could ever ask for, and the team gave us new challenges that made us really feel connected and very excited for each week. So I would really congratulate Nishtha for organizing this amazing sessions, and all the team of UCAN also. Kudos to you guys. You did amazing job. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Nishtha. Coming from the participants, it only encourages me and our team to do better. So yeah, anybody else, or do we move on to the results? Yeah, Paramita, you can go on. We would love to hear from you.
So I totally agree with Nishtha Kalra Didi. So yeah, basically two names. Yeah, so I totally agree with you, because first of all, when like this session was the most excited I thought I was, because it made myself come out, express myself, and the other session was very helpful. When I was in school, I thought that everything like comes to an end, especially knowledge. But I think we can keep learning, and that's where this platform comes. And totally, the name is just as perfect as cherry on top. Yeah. Okay. So the next thing I want to say that to the host, Nishtha Singh Didi, thank you for like hosting this. Your voice makes us. Your encouragement, your voice, everything encourages us to speak more openly. And to Sir all those points were like really precious. Thank you for sharing that with us.
Thank you very much, Paramita. I thank all the participants. And the mantra today that we learned from this enrichment session, a kind of enrichment session, is that learn and learn whatever you are learning and try to give more. So whatever you have, whatever skill you know, try to disseminate it amongst those who do not have that skill. So with that, I request you all to leave this breakout room and move on to the main session. So results have come. So let's see who how the result is. Even I don't know that. So just leave this room and move on to the main session, please. So I believe most of the participants have joined, and there are just two more participants who are yet to join the meeting. So Manish sir, are we ready with the results? Manish sir, am I audible to you?
Just hold. So, so good afternoon, everyone. We are now ready with the results, right?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
And thank you, Dr. Vimlendu, for giving your uh, lot of great advice to all our budding talents. This program was initiated with your advice, and we are ending also with your advice. And certainly, your support will make us taking this platform to the next level. And
Thank you,
certainly,
sir.
your initial advice has given a lot of insight to all the participants and our both the judges. And you have also judged in one or two sessions. Have appreciated your every advice. And the best part is that everybody has worked on each points which you have shared during the induction sessions.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. My pleasure.
Yeah. So just now, Nishtha, we are just ready with the results. So first is
Yes, sir.
yes.
So
So
I believe all of you can switch on your cameras for the results. So I can just take a screenshot. Yeah. So are you all excited with the results? And let me tell you one thing, all of you are winners. Okay, as they say in all sessions, whenever they end, all of you are winners. All of you have learned something or the other. And me, myself, I've learned a lot from you. Not only the participants, but the judges as well. It has been a learning and a holistic experience for me as well. So I would like to thank all of you for, giving me something to learn over the span of these 6 weeks. So
right.
with that, I think, Manish sir, we can proceed with the results now. So all
Yeah.
the best to all of you.
Yes. So we are ready with the results, and there are very tough. It was very tough to decide by all the judges, right, and the organizing committee. But we are first telling you about the today's results. Today is a very engaging day, and you all have worked very hard, right? So we are just announcing the today's results. Means today's sessions, how you all have performed today. So today's in first age group means 11 to 14 years, the best speaker and best observer. These two we are giving for today's sessions. So best speaker for today is Paromita. So a great clap for Paromita. And the observer is the best observer is Babhavi Siven. So today is Babhavi is the best observer and Paromita is the best speaker. So a great
Thank you.
clap for all of you.
So kudos and good job to
And
Paramita and Vaibhavi.
yes,
That's
and in this age group, our star is the emerging star, and which is none other than our lion, right? So our lion Om is today's
Sir Tej.
star.
Sir Tej.
Yeah, Tej. Sorry,
Yeah.
Tej. Tej is our lion today, and he's the star of today's programs.
Yeah,
Right.
so Tej, congratulations to you. It's a new agenda, and you guys have, aced the agenda. It was a
Yes.
new thing for all of us, and we thought that, it might go good, it might go well, or it might not. But you just kept our hopes up. So thanks to all of you. So, sir, we can move on to the next age group.
Yeah, and today's in the next age group, today the presentation which has made the very good and which is appreciated by all the judges and the organizing committee is Saksham. Kalra is the best speaker today, and observer is Manas. Manas and Saksham, both of you are very much. You have done excellently well today. So now moving to the last. Yeah. So last age group. Last age group we have. Yes. Last age group we have the best speaker is Nishtha Kalra. She has rocked the platform. So well done, Nishtha. And observer is Om. So Om, very good. And
Yeah.
Nishtha Kalra, you were
Nishtha
excellent.
Kalra, very good.
Yes. So a great effort by all of you. So this is the today's presentations, right? So because this was an entirely different type of programs, our judges has told that whatever we have made them learn, and Dr. Bimlendu has also told us that whatever we have given them the skills and knowledge, whether they are accepting it and where they are working on it or not, if we will make them observer how they are performing. So that was the discussion amongst ourselves. And today, Dr. Bimlendu and Dr. Tripta ma'am, it is a great satisfaction to us as organizers that every participant has worked excellently well when it comes to observation points. And they all are working on every aspects of your feedbacks, which is very satisfying to us as organizers. And it's a very great compliments to all the participants. So my compliments, heartfelt compliments to every participant for a very good observer. Now we are ready with the overall final winners, right? And this time we are not having the first, second, or third type. There are winners. There are more than one winners in the categories, right?
Yeah.
So
There were just
first,
minor differences in
yes,
your marks. So take
yes.
it in the spirit, and you all have improved a lot. I will definitely say this. Yes, sir. Sir, kindly unmute yourself.
Just hold for a second.
Yes, so I believe you all might have, you would be having that heartthrob moment right now. So don't worry. Okay, I again say that take this in spirit. You all are winners, at least for me as far as I am concerned, and for the organizing committee of UCAN also. You all have improved a lot, and you have made our sessions, engaging as well as a success. More than that, we would have ever imagined. So thanks to all participants for that. And yeah, so and till sir just yeah, I think sir is back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah. Thank you. So now take your breath. Right. Hold your breath. We are announcing the final overall winners for the program. So Dr. Bimlendu and Tripta ma'am, with your permission, can we announce the
And
final winners?
so we also have Sharat sir, Sharanjeet ma'am.
Yeah, Sharat sir, welcome.
And
Yes, sir,
Sharanjeet ma'am
please.
also.
And Sharanjeet
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. Well,
Yes, sir.
So,
So you
yes, sir.
can go ahead.
So with all your
All the best
permission,
again to all of you.
yes. So just hold your breath. The first category, the winners, we are having the tie. Again, I have told you that it's a great, you all have demonstrated a great learning attitude. And for that, it's a very tough time for all of us and our judges. So there is a tie in the first age group, and the winner says Paromita and Vaibhavi. So great Round of applause to all, both of you. So Paramita and Vaibhavi.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
And we are having one outstanding awards.
Yeah,
So
a commendable award. Yeah.
yeah, commendable, outstanding, whatever you tell, commendable about the best effort in the entire programs. Means the that person has made himself uh, so excited that he log into the program half an hour before, right? When we were preparing for the program, he just knocked. So he's a very excited, enthusiastic participant, and he's none other than Arman Raj Singh. So Arman, a great
Sir, I
round of
believe he's
applause.
not in the meeting only, sir. He has left the meeting, so I told him to join.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yeah, we
okay.
saw a lot of improvement in Arman. All of us, the organizing committee as well as our judges. Yeah, Arman has improved a lot, and he
Yes,
is constantly working hard to improve even further.
yeah.
So yes,
So
sir, we can move on to the
yeah,
next age
next
group.
category we are having. Just hold your breath. Just Arman has it knocking. Just hold. Arman.
Arman, yeah, we have a very great news for you. Kindly switch on your camera, Arman.
Yeah, Arman. Are you there?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, he
Yes,
has joined.
Yeah,
yes.
so Arman, you are the outstanding. You have got the outstanding awards for this entire sessions. So what we have observed is that you are the most consistent and most improved, and you have given the best of your efforts. So it's an outstanding award
Yeah.
goes from the entire YCA to you. So congratulations to you, Arman.
Thank you, sir.
You've got
So
the most commendable award for
yes,
improvement.
yes.
So yes, that
So
was it.
going to the next category. Next category, our winner again. We are having. The very challenging tough time. So in this category, the winners is Manas. Manas is our winner for this category. So congratulations, Manas. A great round of applause for you.
Thank you so much.
Can we have you here on? Thank you, Manas, for your all effort. And judges are
Thank you so
very
much, sir.
critical in the initially. Judges are very critical to you, and you have even called me up that judges are giving very critical feedback to me. So you have worked on every feedback. So great round of applause to you.
And we
And
can
now,
only see
Thank
an
you so much,
improved
sir.
Manas.
Means a lot.
yes,
So we applaud you for working on those improvements.
yes. So and now we are having again, yeah. So now we are having again one outstanding award in this age group, and that person has really changed the table of, and he has also he has added a lot of flavor to this program and lot of courage, and he has shown that how a person, if he decided, how he can uh, change himself. So he's none other than Saksham Kalra. So Saksham, a great round of applause to you. Saksham, can we have
Thank
you here on the screen? Saksham,
Thank you, sir.
very good, excellent. And now the third categories. So just again here we are having very tough time, right? This is the most uh, tough group, and they all have got a very exciting, very controversial topics to speak to present, and they all have done a great round of justice to this. So we are having again tie here, and there are two winners, and you all can judge. You all can guess. She is none other than Nishtha Kalra and Shrestha Singh. So great round of applause to Nishtha and Shrestha. Can we have you here on the screen?
And
Thank you, sir.
So thank you very much. And you all have both have done great justice to this. And the topic which we have given to you, they were very controversial, but judges has appreciated your balanced approach to the topics. Just hold for a second. And so, sorry for the interruption. So, great round of applause to Nishtha and Shrestha. Now, again, we are having one outstanding awards, and the person has even attended the program in a fever, right? He got uh, some tough comments also that why he has weird hoodies and all. But that day he was suffering from fever and having 102 fever to him, right? And see, he is not other than the Om Nanda. He's got the outstanding award from the organizers. So congratulations, Om. Can we have you here on the screen? Om.
Thank you so much, sir.
So Om, your resilience has made all our judges uh, convinced that these individuals can be given something which is they deserve, right? So congratulations all of you, and I'm sure that this session will give you a lot of learning, lot of understanding that how you can take yourself to the next level of speaking, presenting yourself and all. And over to Nishtha. Yeah, Nishtha.
Sir, I hope the results are out now. So I extend my heartiest congratulations to all our winners, and those who did not win today, don't worry. Didn't win today, don't worry. You all have miles to go. You all have miles to conquer. So always, always focus on improvising yourself. Always focus on learning new things and growing. So on that note, I would like to, I just have some lines in mind, a poem. So I hope you all can resonate with that. So I'll just take the stage and just say a few lines. So you will make it through the day. Deep inside, I know that you will. Just tell yourself you're not giving up. Keep moving and never stand still. I promise that in time you will touch the sky and you will feel so free and contented within. All you have to do is stay motivated in life. Wake yourself up and begin. Keep your dreams alive within you. Don't ever feel that they won't come true. Every day, a miracle happens for someone in this world, and soon one will happen for you. Don't ever be hesitant or feel you're not worth it. Be more assertive and know that you can. Don't worry about what the world has to say about you. I promise that in time they will all come to understand. So, what are you waiting for? Get yourself out there and become who you want to be. Don't forget to believe in yourself, my friend, and always remember to let yourself breathe. Good luck to you always, wherever you may go. May you find the strength that you need within you. Be strong and never let go of what you know is right. And I promise that you, in time, you will find yourself in the world of new. So, with that, I believe in all of you that you can also. So I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our judging panel, Tripta ma'am and Nishi ma'am, and our guest speakers, Vimlendu sir, Sharat sir, and Sharanjeet ma'am, for taking out valuable time from their busy schedules and being with us here today. You all have played a very important role in making YCA what it is today and in making these participants grow and develop and become the very best of themselves. So, this brings us to the end of the presentation today. On behalf of the organizing committee of You Can Also, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our judges, our guest speakers, and our participants for being with us here today. I thank our participants for being impactful speakers today and for proving that you can also. At the end of the session today, I feel it is safe to say that we have achieved the goal of you can also. So before we end the session, I would uh, I would ask if any of our judges, Tripta ma'am and Nishi ma'am, or our guest speakers, Vimlendu sir, Sharad sir, and Sharanjeet ma'am, would like to say anything to our participants.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations and well done, Nishtha. It was carried out and it was done in such a great manner. And I must appreciate it. And I was not able to be with you people in certain sessions. I missed those sessions. So certainly I would like to see those recordings and I'll ask for them from you. And above all, the entire effort, the entire team and the participants as well. I'm really glad to say that in the very beginning, whatever suggestions I gave or whatever I said, today I found that many of the speakers, those who are winners and those who are not, that doesn't matter. Winning or losing is just a position. But the process of learning, they have learned it so well. I'm really glad that they have learned something. And I'm really glad that you have made such a platform that in this lockdown phase, they are learning something new. So kudos to the whole team and participants. Keep rising, keep measuring heights. All the best from my side. And certainly you are going to be the game changers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Uh, yeah, I would request if any other of our respected guests today would like to say anything. Tripta ma'am, would you like to say anything to our participants for the one last time?
Yeah, I first of all congratulate the winners, and I believe that the real winner of the show is the organizer Nishtha Singh. Now all the stars are here, and I wish that they write the history on the sky and will become successful in the field whichever they choose. And Nishi ma'am has showered her motherly love, not only as a judge, as a critic, and the way meticulously things were organized and the inputs were given, looked after, and that is why we have achieved the result also. Every time I could read the face of Manish sir, his smiles uh, could be interpreted that he had those victory signals to the participants whom he trained, and he maintained his pace with a resolute disposition. Even anyone of us as judges, he did not allow to be wavered. And I also say that my learning personally and the enrichment was as if I was going to prepare or I was going to appear in civil services exams. And I was made to sit on the hot seat of giving judgment, I think, which is considered to be the toughest most job. And then again for Manish sir, you acted as a coach who patted every participant, scoring a goal as if a sixer, and your enrichment sessions were really very fruitful. You remained in the back very consistently, and I myself express as a judge, I would recommend you all dear participants to read the story of the judgment seat of Vikramaditya. Let us have this spiritual, lively, cheerful, happy experience throughout so many sessions. Then, you see, lastly, I would say, all dear winners, the others are the real winners. Because if everyone is a winner, who is going to lose? And I know that the victory is taken positively, is taken, victory matters to the one who has not won. So it matters to that person. We go through the reality shows and we see that nobody is going to tell you your positive points. You already have them. If somebody is there to tell your negative points, He is the real well-wisher. Our scriptures say, our poets say, and the real well-wisher is who knows you have your positive points and still tells you your negative points, which are ultimately with the wish to be replaced with the positive points, which makes you the positive personality. So I wish you all the very best. Be honest, be truthful, and hardworking, because if you have these virtues, of Satyam Shivam Sundaram.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Tripta ma'am. Sharat sir and Sharanjeet ma'am, would you like to say anything?
I think Dr. Vimalendu and the other judge spoke so well, and they summed up our words and feelings and expressions. Of course, all the best to all the participants, and definitely you can deserve kudos for its effort during these trying times all are going through. But then this will also pass, and all of us will emerge winners. And these participants have a long way to go, and the way they are being guided, coached, advised, and they are getting platform. Uh, the future appears to be rosy for them. They simply need to be performing and being honest to themselves and perform in a consistent fashion. All the best, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. Finally, Sharanjeet ma'am, would you like to say anything to our participants?
मैंने ऑलरेडी काफी लेक्चर दे दिया है और ये जितने जजेस हैं और ये सभी इतना कुछ सुंदर सुंदर कह देते हैं, मेरे को इनको सुन के ये लगता है कि अब कुछ बाकी नहीं बचा, क्योंकि निष्ठा एक एक बंदे को उठाऊं तो इतनी सुंदर चीजें कही हैं। बस मेरा तो एक ही लास्ट में ये है कि सारे सेशन में यदि आपको एक भी चीज आपके जहन में रह जाए तो हमारा वो सक्सेसफुल मॉडल है कि यदि हम एक भी चीज को जिंदगी में अपने जहन में उतार लें और वो हमें वही हमारे लिए काफी है। यदि आप जिंदगी में एक भी उतर जाए, क्योंकि इस सेशन में तो इतनी सारी चीजें हो जाती हैं, तो ये बच्चे हैं ना बड़ी जल्दी वो हमारी वैसे फितरत है भूलने की। मुझे ये है कि याद जरूर रखना चाहिए। तो अच्छी चीजें एक भी याद रह जाए तो जिंदगी पार हो जाती है। मेरा तो सिंपल सा फार्मूला, कुछ भी रख लेना इसमें से। दैट्स ग्रेट ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को मैं दोबारा से, क्योंकि ये हौसले बहुत कम लोग रखते हैं। सोचते बहुत है हम ऐसा करेंगे वैसा करते बहुत कम है। तो करने का हौसला है ना, वो यू कैन आल्सो की तरह हमेशा माइंड में होना चाहिए, कर देंगे। और वो भी उस टाइम पे जब ये पूरा लॉकडाउन था, जब बिल्कुल ऐसे था पता नहीं क्या होगा जिंदगी में, तो इन्होंने इतना बेहतरीन स्टेप ये शुरुआत की है। और ये वाकई इससे आपको देखना, जब हम कभी पीछे मुड़ के देखेंगे कि यू कैन आल्सो कब स्टार्ट हुआ था और हम कहाँ पहुंच गए, तब आपको बहुत मजा आएगा और ये फिर हिस्ट्री बन जाएगी, जनरेशन याद रखेंगे। मेरा तो यही है। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. So I highly believe that the encouraging words and the motivating words of our guest speakers and our judges will surely be of great benefit to our speakers tomorrow. And I highly believe that you can also will move on to much greater heights with your guidance and support. So with that, I would like to once again thank all of you for being with us here today. And I would also like to thank Manish sir and Mamta ma'am, our two prestigious members of our organizing committee, without whom I would not have been able to do it alone. So Manish sir and Mamta ma'am, all the credit go to you two. So yeah, Mamta ma'am and Manish sir, would you like to say anything, or do we bring the session to an end now?
All the best to all the participants. They are amazing individuals, and I love interacting these individuals. And the best part is that I got great friends. Right, I believe in making friends, and I enjoy talking to the young ones. So this platform is giving me this opportunity also that I create a lot of young friends. So I'll keep in touch with all these participants. They are really a great individuals, and I also learned a lot of them, a lot of things from all these guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So with that, I believe we should bring the session to an end. And
Yes,
we
yes.
all are at, just a text away if you need any assistance in future. So don't hesitate from contacting us for any queries or any help. Our guest speakers as well as our judges, all of us are there to help you out. So with that, uh, thank you to all of you once again.
Thank you. We can end the session now.
Yeah.
Thanks. Bye bye.
Yes, sir.